I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Today, we're going to be doing our own homemade buffalo chicken nuggets with the zesty breading. Let me show you how we do it. What we got to do is cut our chicken breasts, however big nuggets you want. Nothing fancy here. Throw them in a bowl. Try to keep them the same size if you can. Take our new buffalo seasoning, sprinkle it on it. Let them sit for about 10-15 minutes. I'll come back, show you the next step. Alrighty, they've been marinating in our Bubba Rock buffalo seasoning. Now, we're just going to take some of our zesty breading. No egg or nothing. Just put zesty breading in there. Give a little bit of a coating on them. And then we're going to let them sit again for about 5 minutes just to get tacky. Alright, they're all coated nice. I'll bring it back and get ready to put them in the air fryer. Alrighty, our chicken and our breading, Bubba Rock buffalo seasoning, it's all tacky. Our Ninja food cooker is up to temperature. I'm going to throw them in on the air fry setting. I'll bring it back when they're done. Alrighty, our buffalo boneless chicken nuggets are done. I'm going to take them out of the Ninja food cooker and I'll show you what we got. Here you go, folks. Boneless buffalo chicken nuggets made with the buffalo seasoning and the zesty Bubba Rock breading, and then that garlic butter parmesan buffalo sauce that we just finished up. You can dress these up mighty fine. Tell you what, you don't get much better than this. Enjoy.